You're listening to Rooted in Revolution, a limited series about the stories that shaped a nation, told from the ground up. Along Virginia's rivers, roads, and red clay, power was built, challenged, and contested, often far from the battlefields we remember. These are the voices history tried to quiet, the moments that changed everything, the truths that still echo. Rooted in Revolution is written and produced by Samantha Griffin. Now, let us step back into a world where nothing was settled and everything was at stake. Before America had a constitution, before independence was inevitable, there was a voice. In courtrooms and meeting halls across Virginia, one man spoke words that unsettled power and stirred resolve. Patrick Henry was not born into wealth or military command. His weapon was conviction. His battlefield was the spoken word. He challenged governors, defied the crown, and dared ordinary Virginians to imagine liberty before it had a name. But words have consequences. This episode follows the man behind the legend, his faith, his fire, his doubts, and the moment when speech became revolution. From the halls of Virginia to the edge of rebellion, this is the story of a voice that helped ignite a nation. Episode 3, Patrick Henry, Rooted in Revolution. Streaming now